See this question. On a TCP connection, current window size is 4 KB. So what do I mean by 4 KB is current congestion window size. So TCP is going to have every sender is going to have two windows. One is congestion window and other is depending on the receiver capacity, the window which maintains the receiver capacity, right? Now the window advertised by the receiver is 6 KB, which means receiver is saying that I can receive 6 KB and the network is saying that I can receive 4 KB. Therefore, how big the window you should be sending? Only 4 KB, right? Therefore, you should always send minimum of these two. So actual sender window will be 4 KB. But then they have given you some more information. Just look at this. The last byte that is sent is 10240, which means 10,000 something is the last byte that is sent, and the last byte that is acknowledged is 8,000 something. So what does that mean? Even though you have sent till 10024, acknowledgements are received till 8,000. Therefore, the sender window, actual sender window will be set to 4 KB, and now they are saying that in this 4 KB there are some outstanding bytes, outstanding bytes. Okay, so they are saying that last byte that has been acknowledged is 8192. Therefore, 8193 is not acknowledged, so it has to be present till last one that is sent and which is not acknowledged is 10240. So 8193 to 10240, all these bytes are still present in the window. So sender window size is 4 KB, in which 2 KB bytes are already present, right? But then they are not asking about what is the extra space or free space present in the sender window. They are asking about what is the sender window size. Whatever is outstanding here, they are not asking about that. They are just asking what is the total size. Always total size is minimum of these two, congestion window and the receiver window. So sender window is always minimum of what is the capacity of the network, which is congestion window, and what is the capacity of the receiver, which is advertised, right? So the capacity of the network here is 4 KB and the capacity of the receiver is 6 KB. Therefore, always sender window size, in this case sender window size is going to be minimum of these two, 4 KB, out of which there are some outstanding bytes, but that is not what they are asking. They are simply asking what is the size of the sender window size. Therefore, sender window is 4 KB, which is nothing but 4096 bytes. This is the answer.